first grade. Today on our packet, you should be on page 114 with the turtle and the octopus here. And on your handwriting today, you will just follow each number at a time. And just don't forget, if it is a prefix, you need to put what we call a hyphen before we write the word joy. When you add an N and enjoy, you need a hyphen there to show you're going to add it to the word joy. And then your sentence today will be, God made the world for us to enjoy. All right, and then on your language, we get a fun part today. You're going to be learning how to divide words, and I'm going to help you with the ones that you may need help with. Otherwise, some of these are just double consonants, and we know that's where we divide. But for example, and then in the box, we're going to write how many syllables. So say this with me at home, bicycle. All right, so we learned before we left that we divide after a long vowel sound, as in bi, and then Y is pretending to be a vowel here, so sickle. And we want our LE blend there. And how many syllables was that? Not how many lines, but how many syllables? 1, 2, 3 syllables. All right, here's a little bit longer word. We know this stands for the word math, arithmetic. Let's see where we divide it. Arithmetic. All right, how many syllables? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a big word for first grade, isn't it? But I know you can do it. So 4 syllables. All right, how about circus? We know there are not 2 consonants that are the same here. So you can hear where to divide that one in. Circus. And again, that's 1, 2 syllables. And then this is the word that we know Abraham Lincoln was a lawyer. And again, that's going to be between the 2 consonants that are not the same. So lawyer, even though we don't hear the Y there. And put 2 syllables there. And then student, we learned after a long vowel sound here, that's where we divide this word, student. And again, that is 1, 2 syllables. All right. So again, the others on your paper are just double consonants, and you know that that's where we divide the 2 consonants. And then you're going to read this story about Abraham Lincoln and answer some questions about it. And I know you're all such good readers. So you may go ahead and read the story about Abraham Lincoln and answer the questions according to the story. All right, then on our letters and sounds, we don't have any new sounds to learn today. So I need you to just choose the correct word to fill in the sentence. For example, the little boy was very, and you see in front of you, was he very unhappy or unseal? What would a boy be anyway? Yes, maybe he's unhappy because I know he's missing his teacher. All right. In fact, I had a dream the other night that we had about 10 Elsas come in the classroom, and we had a stormtrooper and Darth Vader. Oh, what? That's right. That really did happen. Okay. All right. So I think he's unhappy because he's missing his teacher, but we miss you too. And you go ahead and do the others on your own. You go ahead and choose the right word for the sentence. And then down here, we have words that kind of mean, or they do mean the same thing, but they don't sound alike this time. It just means the other words you could use, for example, unhappy. Well, we just learned that means he's also sad. Or to begin means to start. And always, of course, means like every time. Right? So I'm going to go and let you do the other box too on the other side. And again, just matching the words where words have the same meaning, but there's 2 words that mean the same thing. All right, over and out.